Hello everyone, welcome to Kshitij Career. This is most important question series in which this is part 4. If you want to watch earlier part, then go to description box, links are there, you can watch from there. So this series is conceptualized by me. My name is Ashish Lad. This information is about me. Which crop is considered as a king of fodder crop? Lucerne, Bersim, oat, none of these. And the answer is Bersim. So Bersim is called as king of fodder crop. Which is known as queen of fodder crop? Lucerne, Bersim, oat, none. And the correct answer is Lucerne. Lucerne is queen of fodder crop. Which method of irrigation is suitable for orchard crop? Ring basin method, furrow method, or none of these? And the correct answer is ring basin method. Grey revolution is related to egg production, fertilizer production, fruit production, or none of these? And the correct answer is fertilizer production. So white revolution is related to milk production, blue revolution is related to fish production, brown revolution is related to food processing, grey revolution is related to fertilizer production, yellow revolution is related to oilseed production, red revolution is related to tomato and meat production, pink revolution is related to brown and onion production, golden revolution is related to fruit production, round revolution is related to potato production, silver revolution is related to egg and poultry production, black revolution is related to biofuel jatropha production, and rainbow revolution is related to all sector of agriculture. Which of the following used as a laxative agent against irritation in gastrointestinal tract? Isabgol, Sarpaganda, opium poppy, or none of these? And the correct answer is Isabgol. Integrated scheme of oilseed, pulses, oil palm and maize, that is ISOPOM, launched in year. So it was launched in year 2004. Till planting is adopted in zero tillage, primary tillage, secondary tillage, or none of these? So it is adopted in zero tillage. So till planting, it is a practice in zero tillage including 4 operations. The first is cleaning the crop row, then second is opening of soil for seed insertion, then third is placing of seed, and fourth is covering of the seed. Mycorrhiza is a symbiotic association between fungus and root of higher plant, bacteria and root of higher plants, virus and root of higher plants, and insect and root of higher plant. And the correct option is fungus and the root of higher plants. So mycorrhiza is a symbiotic association between green plant and a fungus. The plant makes organic molecules such as sugars by photosynthesis and supplies them to the fungus, and the fungus supplies the plant water and mineral nutrient such as phosphorus taken from the soil. So this is mycorrhiza look like. TZ, that is tetrazolium test, is done for viability of seed, protein content of seed, purity of seed, or none of these. So it is basically done for viability of seed. Which among the following is an explosive fertilizer? Ammonium nitrate, urea, both, none. So it is nothing but ammonium nitrate. National Seed Act was passed in, so it was passed in 1966. Please press like button if you like this video. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.